Hello friends, my name is Paresh Chavda. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on a subject fluid mechanics and topic is Newton's law of viscosity. Newton's law of viscosity states that shear stress on a fluid element layer is directly proportional to shear strain. In this video, we will derive the laws of Newton's law of viscosity. Let us understand this sketch. In this figure, consider two parallel plates placed at a distance y apart. The space between the two parallel plates is filled with fluid. Here consider a lower plate with a stationary and the upper plate is moving with a velocity u by the application of a force F. Here let A be the area of upper plate with the contact with the fluid. Here velocity is varies from 0 at a fixed plate and u at a upper plate. Here this force F is directly proportional to velocity u and area of a contact A and inversely proportional to distance y from moving plate to fixed plate. So by equation F is proportional to area of contact, velocity u and distance y. From this equation F divided by A proportional to u by y. From this figure, let from a fixed plate at a y distance in this layer velocity will be u, and let from this fixed plate at a distance y plus dy in this layer velocity will be u plus du. So this difference in distance is called change in a distance. Here we gain this change in velocity du. So this change in velocity with respect to this change in velocity is called shear strain. From this figure, from similar triangle, this triangle and this triangle, here u by y is equal to du by dy, du by dy. From this equation, u by y is replaced by f by a. We can say that f by a proportional to du by dy. This equation indicates force per unit area. It is called shear stress on a fluid layer. So shear stress is directly proportional to du by dy. It is called rate of shear strength. So from equation we can say that shear stress on a fluid layer element is directly proportional to rate of shear strength. From this equation, tau is equal to mu into du by dy. We take the proportionality factor mu. It's also called coefficient of viscosity. From this equation, mu is equal to tau divided by du by dy. So we will define viscosity. Viscosity, it can be defined as a shear stress required to produce unit rate of shear strength.